Hey guys, JJ here. Welcome back to another video. So today was our first day of actually doing a funded trading challenge. Um, we'll kind of get into that. Long story short, we took one trade today on gold and we lost it. No news Monday. Took one trade on gold, which 1%. Little slippage. Got stopped out at $120, 1.2%. Um, First trade of phase one on this challenge, I lost it, but that's okay. Hopped on the charts this morning at market open, and the S&P was just ripping. No basis for entry for me personally, so no trade on that. Went to gold. If I'm being honest, I didn't see much of a setup. Entered a long off a second retrace. Entered long off a second retracement to the hourly for value gap. Went into profits and got stopped out. Looked for another setup, didn't find one, so I hopped off the charts for the rest of the day and went fishing. Um, Right, correct bias, risk management, wrong, chase the setup, not an A-plus setup. Let me pull up TradingView. Alright, so this is kind of what we were looking at today. 5 minute time frame was longs after a retracement with immediate rejections off of it. Um, we retraced here, immediately rejected. Yeah, so bullish for the day. Price decided to retrace to this five. Okay, I'm getting ahead of myself. Sorry. So let's talk about what was going on here, thought process. Okay, so we retraced immediate rejections off of it. We had this break of structure. We came back down into this area, which is kind of like a mini order block right here, because we swept liquidity. Entered, went about I think $60 in the profit on my trade, and then we got stopped out pretty quick. Price decided to continue lower and sweep this liquidity down here, fill this value gap, and visit this area of accumulation. Um, I did see this, and I did not see a basis for entry right here. Um, I would say the only basis I may have saw, I didn't see this though. I wasn't on the charts at this time. Um, was this, and then the immediate break of structure on the 1 minute time frame after filling. I'm assuming what is it, 5 minute for value gap? Yeah, or well, filling an inverse for value gap actually. Ugh. So we filled this inverse for value. Actually, yeah, right here. This 1 minute inverse for value gap. Um, had I been paying attention to the charts and stuff, might have been basis for entries. Oh wow, I didn't even see all this. Ooh. A little bit of a textbook entry right here. Sweep liquidity, create an order block, boom, boom, boom. Little breaker block right here. Entry off of that breaker block, targeting previous lows, like this one. Ripped. Holy, when did this happen? Manipulation. Man, I was at the gym at this time. Oh well. Oh wait, I forgot. I didn't do the swap thing whenever I bought this account, so I couldn't. It would be like extra fees and stuff if I did it anyway. So no. Um. Yeah, that's pretty much it. Uh, I'll show you what was going on the S&P today. We got market open here. Again, nothing happened. No basis of entry. Then we straight up manipulated, swept all this liquidity, or just swept this liquidity right here. Um, you know, created, I believe, what was a 1 minute order block. Trying to think. Oh, wait a minute. Oh, it's on the wrong day. Oopsie. That was last Friday. This is kind of market open. Alright, so before market open, as you can see, we swept this liquidity. Uh, you know, break of structure off of it, immediate retracement to this order block. Didn't see this. and the price just kind of ripped upward. Um, we inversed this fair value gap and stuff. We had this fair value gap retracement. Honestly, I wish I was paying more attention right here on the S&P, and then you just kind of, honestly, like an easy target would be previous day highs. That's probably now close half of my positions, and then target the high in here. That would have hit by 11:54 this morning. That would have been a good trade. All right. I mean, these are kind of like A plus setups with the higher time frame, lower time frame manipulations to fill higher time frame biases and stuff. I mean, this is just A plus. This was a B plus setup that I missed. So, I mean, oh well, it is what it is. Not really a good setup that presented itself until later over here. So I mean, I'm not mad about it. Uh, losses happen, but tomorrow I just need to keep in mind, like, don't chase the setup, right? These setups are gonna come to me. I know that I'm profitable. I know how to see winning trades. So if I don't see a winning trade, don't take a trade. But anyways, we'll show you this one more time. So not as that. So minus 1.22%. I'll just go ahead and show you. No news today. No news tomorrow. No news Wednesday. But I'll work Wednesday, so I might not be able to trade. But anyways, yeah. So minus 1.22%. My, I still have another 6.8% or pretty close to 7% that I can still do. So I think I'll be fine. Um, Good trading volume. Anyways, so yeah, as you see, this was a buy placed at 8:54 this morning. Uh, Open, close, all that stuff. Yeah. So profit negative, and then yeah, they. This one, I do have raw spreads, so I have better entries and better exit points and all that stuff. So it is a commission off of each trade, win or loss, which is fine. But anyways, so yep. All right. Well, that's kind of all I got today, guys. If you did enjoy, please like and subscribe. If you have anything, please leave it in the comments. Go follow my Instagram, link in the description. And I mean, yeah, this is it. This is what I've been working my butt off since December to do. It is now May, just past mid-May, May 19th right now. Um, you know, Nearly 6 months now. So I'm working my butt off for 6 months. Trying to keep my psychology and stuff in check, and hope it all goes well. I hope you guys enjoyed. I hope you all have a great night, and I'll see you guys tomorrow. Later.